Here's a question I get asked by bin cleaning operators. Will BagEZ trash can bag holders take my customers away instead of helping my bin cleaning business grow? If my customers use BagEZ and their bins stay clean, why would they need me? Why would I risk losing my customers, my subscription revenue, and repeat business? I've invested tens of thousands into a bin cleaning truck, and my loss would be huge. I get it, and that's a valid concern. After all, your business thrives on dirty, stinky bins, and that's why clients need your services. And if BagEZ keeps bins clean, what happens to your bottom line? The truth is, customers want their clean bins to stay clean. Most homeowners don't sign up for regular cleanings or cancel subscriptions because they see washing as a temporary fix. Bins quickly get messy again, and they soon realize that paying a cleaner only to see the problem return in a week or two makes no sense. So they either stop bothering or search for a better solution. Now ask yourself, is it better to have frustrated customers who eventually quit or happy clients who stick with you and genuinely trust your brand? The answer is loyalty. BagEZ isn't your competition. It's your upsell and customer retention tool. It transforms your service from a one-time cleaning into a complete, ongoing solution. When you offer BagEZ after a cleaning or bundle it with your monthly or quarterly plans, clients see you as the business that is out to truly solve their problem and not provide a temporary fix that only masks the problem for a short time. Unlike their home bathrooms, which people prioritize cleaning to maintain comfort and hygiene in their home, they only pay attention to their bins when the smell becomes unbearable or maggots are crawling all over them. So instead of fearing lost business, embrace the opportunity to move forward by offering a complete system that truly meets your customers' needs and desires and highlights your value. People are far more likely to maintain subscriptions if your service truly solves their pain points. Plus, BagEZ isn't just for trash bins. It's also used as a bag holder for waste management and storage. It's useful at home, in garages, yards, and even while camping. This versatility gives you multiple revenue streams beyond traditional cleaning. You can sell BagEZ online and increase your revenue by reaching out-of-area homeowners, DIYers, RV owners, campers, boaters, and more. It helps you grow your brand and bring in revenue opportunities most cleaning businesses can't offer. It lets you generate nationwide, year-round recurring income, gain happier clients, even when your truck is parked during winter. It helps keep your business strong, healthy, and rolling all year round. When your clients are happy and satisfied with your service, they refer you to their friends. They talk about you online and stay loyal when they realize you genuinely care about delivering the results they pay for. So instead of fearing loss, see BagEZ as your partner in building deeper relationships, boosting profit margins, differentiating you from your competition, and becoming the business known for trust, innovation, and offering a genuine solution. So call or email us. We'd love to partner with you and take your bin cleaning business to the next level.